Yeah, this is Monday, I think it's 10th of February, measuring the bore on the cylinder walls. Got a sheet for number 1 cylinder, number 2, number 3, locate where the front is, then my lateral dimensions. According to the book, I'm allowed 7 thousandths on cylinder number 1. Front to back at the top, I'm at 4.207, so I'm in spec. Cylinder number 2, midsection on cylinder number 2, left to right, I'm at 4.207, still in spec. Cylinder number 3, midsection, front to back, I'm at 4.207, excuse me, still in spec. The lightest reading I got was 4.202, midsection, cylinder number 2, and I got a 4.203 lower section, front to back, cylinder number 3. So, looks like the rings did sacrifice themselves, and I stopped using the tractor before I did damage to the cylinder walls, which means I can get by with a light honing job, basically to clean them up, add some cross hatching, and go back with a standard kit, which is what I got over here. At some point do some caliper measuring on these rings to see how much material I lost on them as compared to a standard set of new rings. Just verified I did lose the ring material. How to measure a cylinder bore. This is called a telescoping gauge. Comes in a kit. They're spring loaded, and once you get them in the cylinder, they're cambered on the end. They're not straight cut. Then you tighten them up, lock them in very gently, angle them a bit, bring them out of the cylinder. This is a 4 to 5 micrometer, Amazon set of these, and a complete set of these from 0 to 1 to 5 to 6. These was, I believe, 3/4 inch up to 6-inch cylinder bore. The pair as kits. This is just one piece out of the kit of each. The pair was only $138. If I was building a 20,000 RPM race engine or a rocket engine to put it into orbit, of course I wouldn't use these cheap tools. I'm using Brown & Sharp. But for example, a Brown & Sharp 4 to 5 inch micrometer, about $800 for one. Same thing on these telescoping gauges. This is a tractor, it's not a race engine. If I'm within a couple thou, I'm happy. Anyway, that's all for this one. Some good news finally. Thank you.